So in last video we have taken LCM for this three denominator. Now how can we do it now? Now write one time only common denominator for all these fraction, that is 10, because LCM we have found 10. So write one time. Then 7 will be as it is. Why as it is? Because 10 already in this denominator. Here also 10, here also 10. So that's why 7 will be as it is. Then you can multiply 1. If I will multiply here 1, so same 10 we will get. Then we have to multiply here 1. Then plus. In 5, by what number we can multiply? Then answer we will get 10. 5 into here. In 10, if we will multiply 1, so same denominator we are getting here, 10 only. In 5, if we will multiply 2, so then we will get 10. And if we have multiplied 2 in denominator, so we have to multiply 2 in numerator also. This is the necessary condition we have to follow here. Here 2. In 2, by which number we will multiply, then answer we will get 10. So 2 into 5 is equals to 10. So if we have taken 5 for multiplication with this 2, so here also we have to multiply 5. So that here also denominator, why we are doing, student, now your doubt I think should be here. I think your doubt may be here. Then why I am doing this step here? Why I am multiplying these different numbers in the denominator? Because we should have same denominator in all these fractions. So here 10 is already, so we will multiply with 1. Then 10 we have. Here in 5, if we will multiply by 2, then 10 we have also here. Then here 2 into 5, then also 10 we have. Means 10 is present in all the fraction as denominator here also. So here this number you have to write as it is. Which number? This numerator which you have multiplied here. Then here again plus, here 3 into 5. You have to understand this question very carefully, then only you will be able to solve the subtraction and addition of fractions. The next step, 7 into 1, 7, plus sign, plus 2 into 2, 4, then plus 3 into 5, 15. This 10 is common for all. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 15 gives us 26 by 10. If we will cancel out this, then 2 5s are 2 1s are and 2 3s are 6. Then 13 by 5 is equals to, in mixed fraction, 2 and 3 by 5. This is the answer in mixed fraction. So in this way you have to solve question number first 5th part. Rest of the question will be your homework. In this question you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Rest of the question are your homework. Do it today by your own.